this is a tutorial on how to access Google Classroom on your iPad or Apple device like an iPhone. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now to show you how you can get Google Classroom on your Apple device. So here we go. So the very first step is to find the App Store. So the App Store is this blue icon right here, and it says App Store. So find App Store, then tap on it once. So I've tapped on App Store, and now I am at the search page. So you can see search with a magnifying glass at the bottom right hand side. So we are going to tap on search, then tap on the search bar. The search bar is at the very and we're going to tap on the search bar once. So I've tapped on the search bar and now I'm going to use my keyboard to type in Google Classroom. So I've typed in Google Classroom and now I'm going to tap on the very first thing that I see. So the very first top one says Google Classroom. So I've tapped on the very thing that I just Google Classroom. And now I see this app that says Google Classroom. And now I'm going to tap on the Get button. So I've tapped on the Get button and now it is asking me to enter the password for my Apple ID. So I'm going to enter my password, then press OK. So I've entered my password, then OK. So you can see here it says it is going to install Google Classroom on our iPad. So I'm going to press install. Now Google Classroom is going to install. So we just wait. So now Google Classroom has installed on my iPad, and now I'm going to press the open button. So again, I'm going to press the open button. I have pressed the open button. Now I'm going to press get started. So again, press on started. So I have a list of all accounts. I already have my student account on my, but if you don't, that's I will show you how to get your student account on your Apple device. If you don't have your student account on your device, it will look a little something like this. So to add your student account, we are going to press add another. So press add another account. Then we are going to enter CDSB email. So the email that you use for school. Email the one for school. And I'm going to tap on next. So I've tapped on next. And now it is going to bring to AW, which is Academic Workspace. space. So here I'm going to enter my username and password. The username and password is the one that you use to sign into Chromebooks at school. So again, enter your username and password for school. So I've pressed the login button and now I have accessed my student account. Now here it will if you want to get notifications. So this is on your phone, iPad, and this is up to you. Um, I will leave the decision up to you. I usually allow the notification help me know when my assignments are due or when my teacher has posted something in Google Classroom. So I press allow, but if you want, you can press don't allow. So now I can see all my Google Classrooms here, and that is the end of this tutorial. And now you've successfully accessed Google Classroom on your device. So I will see you in the tutorial. Best of luck. Have a wonderful day. Bye.